3號強風信號現正生效，預料本港平均風速每小時41至62公里。喺下晝2點，強烈熱帶風暴泰利集結喺香港之東南偏南大約370公里，即係北緯19.2度、東經115.6度附近。預料向西北偏西移動，時速大約15公里，大致移向廣東西部至海南島一帶，並且逐漸增強。受泰利嘅外圍雨帶影響，珠江口一帶嘅驟雨逐漸增多，同時本港多處受到強風影響，3號強風信號會喺今日維持。過去幾個鐘，泰利有增強嘅跡象。按照現時預測路徑，泰利會喺聽朝最接近本港，喺香港以南大約300公里內掠過。本地風向會由東北風轉為東至東南風，原本受遮蔽嘅地方可能會變得當風。本港風勢預計會喺聽朝稍為增強。天文台會視乎泰利嘅強度變化，同埋佢相關嘅烈風區同珠江口嘅距離，評估係咪需要喺午夜至到聽朝改發8號烈風或暴風信號。受到泰利帶嚟嘅風暴潮同埋天文大潮共同影響，沿岸低洼地區聽朝可能出現淹浸，市民請盡早完成防風防水浸嘅措施。海有大浪同埋湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同埋停止所有水上活動，並且留意天文台嘅最新天氣消息。
The strong wind signal, number 3 is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 41 to 62 km per hour are expected. At 2 p.m., severe tropical storm Ta-Lim was estimated to be about 370 km south-southeast of Hong Kong, which is near 19.2 degrees north, 115.6 degrees east, and is forecast to move west-northwest at about 15 km per hour in the general direction of western Guangdong and Hainan Island and intensify gradually. Under the influence of the outer rain bands of Ta-Lim, showers are gradually increasing in the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary. Meanwhile, strong winds are affecting many parts of Hong Kong. The strong wind signal, number 3, will remain in force today. In the past few hours, Ta-Lim has shown signs of intensification. According to the present forecast track, Ta-Lim will be closest to Hong Kong tomorrow morning, skirting within about 300 kilometers to the south of Hong Kong. Local winds will change from northeasterlies to east to southeasterlies. Areas which were previously sheltered may become exposed. Local winds are expected to strengthen slightly tomorrow morning. Depending on the changes in Ta-Lim's intensity and the distance between the associated gales in the Pearl River estuary, the observatory will assess the need of issuing the gale or storm signal number 8 midnight to tomorrow morning. Under the combined effect of the storm surge brought by Ta-Lim and the spring tide, there may be flooding in coastal low-lying areas tomorrow morning. Members of the public should complete precautionary measures against high winds and flooding as soon as possible. Seas are rough with swells. Please stay away from the shoreline and do not engage in water sports, and the public should pay attention to the latest weather information issued by the observatory.